Hi everyone, welcome to the How to Create a Website channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily remove the background from an image for free using online AI tools. I'll demonstrate two online services. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's begin. First, search for background remover using AI. Then, go to this website and upload your image. The background removal process will begin. The background has been removed, and there are two download options, free and paid. We'll go with the free option. However, the quality has noticeably decreased with the free method. Now let's switch to another service I often use. Links to both sites will be in the description of this video. I frequently use this one to remove backgrounds from images for my websites. Upload your image from your computer and click this button. Download the image and you'll see the quality is unchanged. Let's try uploading another image. In Photoshop, you can also smooth or blur the edges if they appear too sharp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Remember that all the links to the resources mentioned are in the description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.